our next video of Android development. In this video, we will see UI layouts in Android. Let's begin with it. So here are the outline. Android contains various type of layouts. Android developments. First one is linear layout. Second one is the relative layout. Then recycler view and a card view. So what is linear layout? Linear layout basically arranges a child view in a single row or in a column format. Okay, it has following features such as it can be oriented as vertical or horizontally. It supports weight attributes for proportional distribution. So weight attribute is basically used to distribute the screen into equal parts. It uses simple form or list where elements need to be stacked vertically or horizontally. Okay, so basically it arranges the data in a linear way, either vertical or either horizontal way. What is next is relative layout. So relative layout position its child view as a relative to each other or to the parent. It has flexible positioning options and efficient for complex layout with nesting multiple layouts. Okay, as compared to linear layout, relative layout is more flexible and efficient. Okay, it uses a designing UI where elements need to be aligned based on relationships. Okay. Next is what is recycler view? Recycler view is an advanced and flexible version of list view, and it is designed for displaying a large set of data efficiently. It supports vertical and horizontal scrolling lists. It uses cells while scrolling to improve performance. Supports animation and custom layouts. You can use recycler view for displaying dynamic lists such as feeds, contacts, or messages. Basically, recycler view is used to display a list of data in efficient way. What is card view? Card container with rounded corners and the shadow. It can enhance the visual appearances of the items, and it is easy to implement material design card. Use cases wrapping up content in a visually appealing way, especially within a recycler view. Card view basically used with recycler view to display multiple items. So we will explore all of these elements in our tutorial. So let's start with our Android application development. That's it for this video. We will start development in our next video. Thank you.